The Kyanio STEM Circuits Robot Kit is a fantastic gift option that combines learning and fun through its engaging electronic programming and engineering assembly features. Its versatile design allows it to transform into 3 different models: a sharpshooter, soccer player, or gripper bot, and the LED lights add an exciting futuristic touch. This kit is not only about play but also serves as an educational tool, teaching programming and electronic concepts, making it perfect for STEM enthusiasts. The assembly process is made easy with a user-friendly manual and clearly numbered parts, promoting hands-on skills and logical thinking. Built with high-quality ABS material and precision electronics, it ensures durability and offers a multiplayer experience with a reliable 2.4 gigahertz remote control. The robot can execute up to 64 pre-programmed commands, enhancing logical thinking skills and offering a tech-savvy experience with its transparent remote control circuit board.